1671. The Mughal Empire, under Aurangzeb, had never lost a battle in the east. With 30,000 soldiers, cavalry, and warships, they moved in to crush Assam. But one man, sick, outnumbered, cornered, refused to surrender. He stood up, grabbed his sword, and sailed into battle himself. This is the true story of Lachit Borphukan, the man who defeated the Mughals on water. Welcome to Vocab Tales. Watch till the end if you are a true Indian. Because it's time we honor our forgotten warriors, the brave sons of India. History is painful, not just because of the invaders, but because they used our own people against us. Many fought for the Mughals against their own motherland. They were divided by caste, language, ego. And that's how India was slowly broken. But far in the east, one kingdom stood tall, Ahom, in present-day Assam. For 600 years, the Ahoms had resisted every invader. When Aurangzeb sent his general Raja Ram Singh with a massive army to conquer them, the king chose one man to defend the motherland, Lachit Borphukan, a general known not just for his strength, but for his unshakable patriotism. The Mughal army was unstoppable. 30,000 troops, 21 Rajput chiefs, war elephants, and 40 warships. But Saraighat was not an ordinary battlefield. It was fought on the river Brahmaputra. And Lachit, though ill and bedridden, led a genius defense. He built secret river forts. He trained boatmen to fight like Navy commandos. He used narrow channels to trap Mughal ships. And on the final day, too weak to even stand, Lachit Borphukan climbed into a small boat and charged into battle shouting, "My sickness is mine, but the country's work must go on." The enemy was stunned. The Mughals retreated. Assam remained free. Lachit died a year later, in 1672. But his story is still alive in Assam. 24th November is celebrated as Lachit Divas. The best cadet at India's National Defence Academy receives the Lachit Borphukan Gold Medal. His statue stands proudly in Guwahati. And yet, most of India doesn't know his name. Isn't that heartbreaking? If you're watching this, remember this truth: India didn't fall because it was weak. It fell because it was divided. By caste, by language, by religion. Let us not make the same mistake again. Let us be one India and remember those who gave us that chance. Lachit Borphukan, a warrior, a patriot, and a reminder that even one brave soul can defend a civilization. This is Vocab Tales, where you learn English and your true history. If this story moved you, like, share, and subscribe. And never forget India's real heroes. Jai Hind.